In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok ads not approved and how to prevent it. The main reasons for your account disapproval are missing claims, prohibited products, inconsistent or irrelevant products and pricing, improperly displayed in incomplete websites, ads, texts and captions, video or audio quality issues, problem with content or images, intellectual property infringement. You have to avoid this because total video removal by policy on TikTok is very awake and monitoring the videos every time. Now you know the main reasons, let's go on how to fix TikTok ads not approved. Fix 1. Go through the ad review checklist. To ensure a safe and user-friendly environment, TikTok suggests an ad review checklist for advertisers to comply with. Before publishing your ads, make sure to meet the requirements for the landing page, ad messaging, and ad language. 2. Adjust ad details and resubmit. Do you know that some ads are rejected after they are approved? A formally approved ad can undergo another review if it has been hidden, blocked, reported, or received negative feedback from TikTok users. In the case it still violates the policies after an additional review, the platform will suspend your ads and you will receive a notification for that. 3. File an appeal or contact support. If you are unable to modify your TikTok ads or suppose TikTok mistakenly rejected them, you can click on customer support to ask a review of the decision. Just look for the question mark icon at the top right or bottom right corner of your TikTok Ads Manager dashboard. To do it, find the notification in your TikTok inbox. Tap on the notification, choose Submit an Appeal, and lastly, do as instructions provided. 4. Target the right audience. To make sure your ads more attractive to TikTok, start by finding the right audience for your ad content. If you can target the right interests, demographics and behaviors, TikTok will have an easier time evaluating how relevant your content is to the audience you've selected. 5. Ensure the basic ad format and specification. Yeah, we all know TikTok won't give the thumbs up to low-quality ad content. Videos or posts with fuzzy visuals, muffled audio, and hard-to-read texts are particularly asking to be deleted. TikTok ads not being approved can be frustrating, but it's just a piece of cake if you understand TikTok's guidelines and avoid these mistakes above. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.